Hello dancers, I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity. Today's subject is the twist chasse in cha-cha, also known as the cross chasse, also known as the chasse. So this step is really useful because not only do the leaders do it, but the followers do it too. How exactly does it work? We're gonna break it down. Let's get started. Always learn the footwork first. Rock, replace, swivel on the left foot, cross, together, and side on the right. And rock, replace, cross, together, side. Here are some tips to make your cross chasse super awesome. Tytus!
Yes, sis.
What is so challenging about the twist chasse?
It's just that sometimes people get the footwork wrong, and then it looks messy.
Do tell.
What ends up happening is rock, replace, cross, and then side, and then nothing.
Hey, this game's got a chance to get ugly.
So we want to make sure we get rock, replace, cross, close it, side. Gotta close that foot.
I have one.
Demonstrate, please.
So they rock, they replace, everything is great, and they fail to swivel on the left foot, and they go like this.
It might get ugly right now.
Because that left foot gets turned in too.
Rock, replace.
That's the...
It is getting ugly right now.
No! Don't do it!
Let's take a look at it from the front. When you pass ankle to ankle, toes pointing out. Replace, notice front foot, toes pointing out. Swivel the front foot, toes pointing out. Close, heels together, toes
Pointing out.
yeah, and then side.
Let me guess. Toes pointing
Out!
wow.
When you are doing your cross chasse, your hips are gonna keep rotating in different directions. As you swivel to the left, your hips are gonna point to that diagonal wall over there. When you close, look, Tytus's hips are facing me. And then when he steps to the side, they rotate again. So how many rotations is that?
Grace. You may be watching thinking, I can't really get a lot of the hip action. Well, we have just the thing. 6 tips for sexy hips. It's gonna really help expand how you approach your hip action to give you an amazing amount of improvement, and you're gonna be so fantastically sexy with your hip action. More sexy than you can even imagine. And I know you can imagine a lot. Next, we'd like to demonstrate where this step takes place. Well, one place is in a closed position for the follower. So she can do that going. Back, replace, cross, close, side. Where does the leader do this, you ask?
Where does the leader do this, I ask?
Fan. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. I'm gonna go rock, replace, cross, close, side. And that solves all sorts of problems, and it answers that one big giant question, which is, why is she too far away in the fan? Because you didn't do a cross chasse, you punk.
I'm sorry.
You went 2, 3, big steps in chasse over there. Oh my God, don't do that. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, I stay close to her, 3, 4, and 1. That way, we have a nice distance, and I can lead more correctedly.
case, if there is any one chasse that you really like and you want us to break down, just leave us a comment below. We'll be happy to oblige. Are you paying attention, Titus?
I was. You said the word oblige.
Was he paying attention?
I was playing.
Were you paying attention?
Attention.
Oh. Attention!
Thanks for watching. I'm Titus. This is LiWen, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hey, tell them to subscribe.
Hey! Subscribe.
Well done. How did she do it?
Stop touching me.
All right.
No touching on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
I gotta wait one more hour.